For centuries, humanity has gazed into the night, mesmerized by the age-old enigma. Are we alone among the stars? This question has shaped our myths, driven our scientific pursuits, and sparked our most imaginative dreams. We've sent spacecraft into the void and aimed our instruments at the heavens, yearning for a sign, yet the universe has always answered with silence. Until this moment. On June 10, 2025, that silence shattered, marking a turning point destined to be remembered. A faint but clear signal has reached us from a remote star system. A subtle message that could upend our understanding of existence. Should this transmission truly originate from intelligent life, it would represent the most significant revelation in human history. Suddenly, the idea of other sentient beings in the cosmos shifts from mere theory to a concrete scientific possibility. The consequences ripple outward, affecting philosophy, creativity, governance, and every facet of human thought. Imagine the moment. A researcher, riveted by a monitor, detects order emerging from the cosmic noise, a purposeful pattern where only chaos was expected. This isn't a tale from a sci-fi novel, it's happening as we speak. The signal, fragile yet persistent, has traveled over 4 light-years through the vastness of space to reach our world. It could finally resolve our oldest mystery and introduce questions we never imagined. In this episode, we'll journey into the Alpha Centauri system, decode the nature of the signal, and consider its implications for our future. We'll show how experts confirm the finding and how the world is reacting to this extraordinary event. This is the story of a cosmic murmur that could forever change our view of the universe. The quest to find life beyond Earth has reached a defining crossroads. Humanity may be standing at the threshold of a brand new era. To understand the signal, we must first understand its source, Alpha Centauri. This is not a single star but a system of 3, our closest stellar neighbors, just over 4 light-years away. 2, Alpha Centauri A and B, are sun-like stars orbiting each other. The third, Proxima Centauri, is a small red dwarf and the closest star to Earth. Astronomers have long considered this system a prime candidate for life beyond our solar system. Recent advances have revealed planets orbiting these stars, including Proxima Centauri B, a world that, while harsh, proved planets exist right next door. The proximity of Alpha Centauri makes it uniquely accessible for study and perhaps one day, exploration. The signal's origin from this familiar system makes the discovery even more thrilling. It's not from a distant, unreachable corner of the galaxy, but from a place we can see and study. Future missions to Alpha Centauri are now more conceivable than ever. This system has always been a beacon of hope in our search for life. Now it might be calling out to us. The universe just got a little smaller, and a lot more interesting. The discovery began quietly, with a team at the SETI Institute using the Allen telescope array to survey Alpha Centauri. For weeks they sifted through cosmic noise, searching for something that stood out. Then, they found it, ACS-1, a narrowband signal at 982 MHz, unusual for a natural source. Unlike the broad, chaotic emissions of stars, this was a focused, deliberate whistle. Even more intriguing, the signal had a repeating pulse every 18.3 minutes, too regular to be random. The frequency drifted slightly, suggesting a moving source, perhaps a planet orbiting its star. These features pointed towards something artificial. The discovery was flagged by a computer, but it took human eyes to recognize its significance. Dr. Elena Petrova and her team tracked the signal for days, confirming it appeared only when Alpha Centauri was in view. The process was painstaking: observation, cross-checking, and verification. In a dark control room, a world-changing revelation quietly unfolded. The signal was real, persistent, and unlike anything seen before. It was the moment SETI scientists had dreamed of for decades. The universe had finally whispered back, and humanity was listening. Detecting a strange signal is only the beginning. Proving it's real is the true challenge. History is full of false alarms, microwaves, satellites, even mundane equipment glitches. The SETI and NASA teams meticulously ruled out Earth-based interference, checking every device and satellite schedule. Next, they sought independent verification, enlisting the Parkes Observatory in Australia. After tense days, Parkes detected the same narrow-band signal with the same pattern and frequency drift. This independent confirmation made the case far stronger. Scientists then tested every known natural explanation, magnetars, pulsars, cosmic phenomena, but none fit all the signal's features. The signal was too clean, too organized. After weeks of secret, intense work, the teams were confident. This was a genuine, unexplained signal from Alpha Centauri. They had ruled out interference, confirmed the source, and dismissed known natural causes. While not yet proof of alien intelligence, it was a discovery of profound importance. The time had come to share it with the world. The universe had sent us a mystery, and we were ready to listen. With the signal confirmed, the question looms: what does it mean? The most thrilling possibility is that ACS-1 is a techno-signature, a sign of alien technology. Its narrow band and repeating pattern are hallmarks of an artificial beacon, perhaps a deliberate "we are here" broadcast. Or it could be unintentional, like cosmic leakage from alien technology. Scientists are now analyzing the signal for hidden complexity, searching for a deeper message. Yet science demands caution. The signal could also be a new, unknown natural phenomenon, a strange pulsar, or a unique planetary interaction. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Every explanation must be tested before we declare we found aliens. For now, both possibilities remain: a product of nature or a sign we are not alone. Either way, our view of the cosmos has changed forever. NASA and the SETI Institute announced the discovery in a global press conference. The world watched as NASA Administrator Pamela Melroy explained the evidence and the careful process of verification. She emphasized the unknown origin, urging caution and further study. The reaction was immediate. News channels broke in, social media exploded, and people everywhere looked up at the sky with new wonder. For a moment, humanity was united by awe and curiosity. Scientists rushed to analyze the data, debates erupted in universities and research centers. Religious leaders and governments weighed in, calling for cooperation and reflection. The announcement sparked not chaos, but a collective sense of wonder. People discussed astrophysics with neighbors. Children asked about life on other planets. The discovery ignited a passion for science and exploration not seen since the moon landing. It forced us to confront our place in the universe. The press conference was more than an announcement. It was the start of a new global conversation. The world had changed and everyone knew it. Now that the signal is public, the question is, what next? Every major radio telescope is now focused on Alpha Centauri, gathering data around the clock. Scientists are searching for changes, new patterns, or hidden information in the signal. The debate has begun. Should we reply? What should we say? Who decides? International committees of scientists, linguists, and diplomats are forming to address these questions. The discovery has also accelerated plans for interstellar exploration. Missions like Breakthrough Starshot, once science fiction, are now urgent possibilities. The signal gives us a destination, and a reason to reach for the stars. Humanity's response will test our ability to work together, to be wise and curious. The next chapter will be written by all of us as we step into a larger cosmic community. We stand at a turning point in history. The signal from Alpha Centauri has transformed our view of the universe, from empty silence to infinite possibility. Whether it's a product of nature or intelligence, it has reignited our imagination and our drive to explore. This is why we pursue science, to push boundaries, to ask the biggest questions, to wonder. The patient work of scientists has been rewarded in spectacular fashion. This moment is a triumph for curiosity and the human spirit. The future is uncertain but filled with hope. We may soon decode a message or discover a new law of physics. The search for life is the search for ourselves. The universe has spoken and its whisper has changed our world. We are no longer just earthlings, we are citizens of the cosmos. The age of discovery has just begun.